Hello friend, Satish Tiwary here from Mythical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and today we are going to learn about a network mapping. Okay, so we are going to discuss the topic network mapping. So let me type that network mapping for you. Okay, so you can understand. We are going to learn about network mapping. So network mapping is all about discover devices एंड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए नेटवर्क. ओके, मतलब कि एक नेटवर्क के अंदर कितनी डिवाइसेज हैं सबको डिस्कवर करना, यही काम होता है नेटवर्क मैपिंग का. एंड फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज nmap कमांड. ओके, nmap with -s and capital P and the IP address or the network address actually. Okay, not the IP address, because if you give the IP address then it will only discover only one IP, that IP you only discovered. I don't know the IP address inside this network, which IPs are alive, which are not. So I'll just type this one nmap-sp and the network address, and it will discover all the IP address inside this network. That is known as network mapping. Okay, so I hope you understand what does mean by network mapping. Discovering devices and the structure of a network. Okay, very simple. मतलब किसी भी नेटवर्क में कितनी डिवाइसेस कनेक्टेड हैं उन सबको डिस्कवर करना ही नेटवर्क मैपिंग का मेन लक्ष्य है, और आप कह सकते हो मेन एम और टारगेट. सो लेट्स वेट एंड इट विल वेरी सून, विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स, और आई कैन से विद इन 1 minute you will be able to discover all the machines, all the devices connected inside this network, whether my mobile, my iPhone, my iPad, my laptop, whatever it is. It will take time. Okay, so it will take time, so you have to be patient. The timing could be depend on your internet connection and your how powerful your system is. So if you have a good system, it will take less time. If you have more high speed internet, it will take less time. तो जितना अच्छा स्पीड होगा आपके पास, जितना पावरफुल सिस्टम होगा आपके पास, उतना ही कम समय लेगा ये आउटपुट देने में. ओके, so you can see the result here. Result is displayed on the screen, and you can get all the IP address with the MAC address. So this is the first IP, and you can see the MAC address, and then you can see the MAC address of this IP, first IP, then the second IP address 60, and you can see the MAC address of that machine, then the third IP and the MAC address, and the fourth IP and their MAC address, and the fifth machine and their MAC address. So in this way you can find the sixth machine and their MAC address, the seventh machine and their MAC address. So the total 7 machines are right now live inside this network, and all the IP address and MAC address are displayed on the screen. And this is the function of network mapping. I hope you understand. If you have actually any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section.